Ano bang status ngayon ng position ng government vis-a-vis the ICC? Dahil more than a month ago, sabi ni Justice Secretary Remulla na open silang papasukin through the Interpol kung sakali mag-i-issue ng international warrant. Well, yung statement naman ni President Bongbong several months ago ay yung dati pa rin, no coordination with the ICC. So ano ba talaga, what gives? Ano ba talaga yung magiging status kung halimbawa next month maglalabas ng international warrant at ipapa-implement sa Interpol, no? Ano bang papapasukin ba? Hindi, no? Dahil minsan confusing yung messaging eh.
Papacheck, as far as I know, walang change doon sa position na binitiwan ng presidente many months ago. And in fact, he has repeated yung statement na yon over and over to the effect that the Philippines has no legal duty to cooperate, no? Dahil nga nag-disengage na tayo from the ICC way back in 2019. So as far as that policy is concerned, I am not aware that the president has deviated from what he has consistently stated before. So it's a policy.
So what was
and
that?
It's up to him whether he will stick to it or not.
So what was that statement ni Justice Secretary Remulla about the Interpol? What was that about?
Yung sa Interpol, well, ang sinasabi ng DOJ dyan ay we are a part of the Interpol network and we have to, kumbaga, parang consider our obligations also to the Interpol. Pero siyempre, the Interpol, as we all know, is a network, no? It's an international network. Wala naman siyang sariling niyang puwersa, no? Yung parang composite police force, no, to implement anything. Kaya ang mangyayari diyan, in my opinion, they will have to coordinate with their national counterpart, which is the PNP. The PNP is under the DILG, which is under the chief executive. Kaya unless the chief executive changes his directive to all executive agencies, including the DILG and the PNP cannot move.
Okay, Soljan,
it's a political decision.
Is there an update, Soljan,
It's
from...
a political decision.
Okay.
It's a political decision.
Political. Exactly, Ami.
Soljan, is there an update from the ICC regarding its request to interview 5 personalities, former PNP officials, I think most of them? May follow-up pa.
Patrick, yun ang pinakahuli, no? Yun ang pinakahuli nilang request ng Philippine assistance, no, in facilitating the interview of these 5 persons, no. I am not aware if the DFA made an official response. Pero based on what the government has been saying, mukhang it's a restatement noong sinabi na ng presidente na we are not under any legal duty to lend a hand sa inyo. Ako naman, on my part, sinabi ko na while we maintain that position na we are not under any legal duty to cooperate, wala naman makakapigil doon sa prosecutor, no, ng ICC to conduct his investigation because he can do it abroad, he can do it by email, he can do it by phone conversation. That's entirely possible, and we cannot prevent him from conducting or performing his mandate. Provided, of course, na yung mga persons na gusto niyang kausapin agree to be interviewed.
Okay. It sounds like, Soljan, it sounds like na parang your response to the ICC or the message that's being sent across to the ICC is bahala kayo kung gusto niyo intervene. Parang ganon.
That is correct. Oo, basta pumapayag yung gusto nyong interviewin. Kung gusto magbigay ng info ng gusto nyong interviewin, mga private persons naman yung iba dyan, hindi namin mautusan yan na huwag kayong sumagot, huwag kayong makipag-cooperate. Pero yung mga yung nasa government na who are still serving, baka merong influence ang ating existing policy on whether they will talk or not.